Everything we've written so far has lived inside the language. Today, we reach outside it. Files on disk, arguments from the command line, the environment, and an exit code on the way out. By the end, we'll have a real tool you can run from your shell. Call with output file opens a file, hands your function a port to write to, and the nice part, closes it for you when you're done, even if something goes wrong inside. Write 2 lines, and there they are on disk. Reading is the mirror image. Call with input file gives you a port, and read line pulls 1 line at a time. When there's nothing left, you get the end of file object. That's what EOF object ? Is checking. It's our named let accumulator from season 1, collecting lines until the file runs out. Line 1, line 2. Around those, you get the everyday file system questions. Does this file exist? Where am I? What's in this directory? And delete when you're done, ask again afterwards, and it's gone. Command line gives you what the user typed as a list. The first item is the script itself, and everything after it is the arguments, alpha and beta. So the arguments you actually care about are just the CDR of that list. The environment works the same way. Ask for a variable by name, and you get its value. Ask for one that isn't set, and you get false, which is exactly what you want for a use this or fall back to a default check. And on the way out, exit ends the program right there with a status code. Notice after never printed, exit doesn't come back. 0 means success. Anything else means something went wrong. And that's how other programs and scripts know whether your tool worked. Now watch all of it come together. Take the arguments. If there aren't any, print how to use it and exit with 1. If the file doesn't exist, say so and exit with 1. And otherwise, walk the file counting lines and report the total. Run it on a file, 3 lines. Run it with nothing, a usage message. Run it on a file that isn't there, a clean error, and a non-zero exit code both times. That's a proper command line tool in about 15 lines. Files in and out, arguments, the environment, and an exit code. That's everything you need to write real utilities in Kaappi. And remember from season 1, this same script compiles to a standalone native binary, so your little tool doesn't even need Kaappi installed to run. Next time, we stop hand parsing text and let the ecosystem read JSON, CSV, and TOML for us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.